Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is me Ramsha Sultan and today I'm going to review Sugarbox. Now Sugarbox is a subscription box in India which provides fashion, beauty, lifestyle and food products. And the box that I would be reviewing today is the bestseller edition, which means that it contains the best and highest rated products from all the previous Sugarboxes. So let's see what's inside the bestseller edition of Sugarbox. The very first thing that we receive in the Sugarbox is this flower embroidery bag. I received the nude color of this bag. This bag is of a very good quality and I saw a similar bag in the mall. These types of bags are trending these days and it's so good to be receiving a bag in a subscription box. Next we have a Girl Boss wallet. Basically it is a money wallet to store money and cards in it. This wallet is very sleek and classy at the same time. It's that one money wallet that every girl needs in her bag. Next we have a jewelry box which is meant to store all your delicate jewelry in it. I'm actually quite amazed by the number of bags sent in this Sugarbox, and the best thing is receiving a jewelry box in a subscription box which is totally unpredictable. Next we have ice cream travel tumbler. It's quite a cool product. Next we have an owl furry keychain. I can't tell you how much I love this product. It is so soft. The fur is so soft and it looks so cute. This keychain, it is like a perfect gift you can receive in a subscription box. You will totally love it. I love it too. Next we have Phantom Sweet Cigarette Candy. I'm not quite a fan of these sweet cigarette candies, but I know a lot of people who are completely crazy about this cigarette candy. Especially the 90s kids, they just love it. Next we have a pack of 5 highlighters in the shape of nail polish. At first I thought that maybe these are some highlighter nail polishes, but when I opened them, they are actually highlighter, guys, and they smell so good. They smell like fruits and it's so cool to be receiving highlighters in nail polish shape. And if you are like me, I'm crazy about stationery. I just completely loved this product. Next we have a pair of tassel earrings. These tassel earrings are of a very good quality and they're also trending these days. And we have this shirt that I'm wearing right now. Basically it is a half sleeves long white t-shirt which contains "Pizza is my BFF." So these were all the products in the bestseller edition of Sugarbox. To be really honest, I would say that this is one of my most favorite boxes that I've ever received till date, because it contains 8 to 9 full-sized products and all the products are of a very good quality, and I just completely loved every single thing that I've received in this box. So in the bestseller edition of the Sugarbox, you receive products worth ₹5,500 and you pay only 2,099 rupees for it, which is a great saving. So if you are interested in purchasing the Sugarbox, you can head on to their website and order your bestseller edition. Also, if you like this scarf that I'm wearing right now, you can actually purchase it from my website ramshasultan.com. I will be providing link in the description box down below. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and do comment down below and let me know which is your favorite product from this Sugarbox. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Facebook and Instagram. This is me, Ramsha Sultan, signing off.